Hi guys, so the next step in creating a React app is creating a template for it or using the template that React provides. So you've already installed the npm in my previous video, so Node.js. Next step is to run Node.js to create that template. You can of course do it manually, but nobody does. And if you want to be left behind, go ahead and do it manually. So what we're going to do is I've created a folder here, project structure React folder, and I'm going to call my app first app in here. And then when I'm in here within the first app folder, I'm now going to create in the address bar, type in cmd. After I've typed in cmd, what I want to do next is type a command called npx, and I'm going to type in create, and I'm going to type in React, and I'm going to type in app, and then my app. Okay. After you type that in, basically what this will do is it will ask Node.js to run the create React code that will create the app, and you want your app to be called my app. So I'm going to click OK on that or press enter. And after I've done this, you will see slowly that it's going to now get in touch with Node, and you will see that it's beginning to install the React app. There you go. It's downloading all the React files that it needs. Don't worry about them. We just want to get our template up and running, and all this is needed to get your template up and running. So we'll let this run. And one thing to watch out for here is my beginner's mistake, which was I didn't know how to get all this. So I was seeing a lot of videos, tutorials, but I didn't know how to actually do all this. So I'm gonna just let this run. My internet's quite fast, so it should download pretty quickly everything. But initially I thought this was all kind of manual step that you had to do, but after you install Node.js, it's all automated. So it's nearly there. I wish maybe I should pause my video here, but then you might think I've skipped some steps. So I will leave the video running. So you can see it's installing React, React DOM, React scripts with CRA template. So we can actually go in while it's doing this. You can go into my app, and you can see that it's installing all the files here. And surely there's so much stuff that it gets, so many dependencies, that it's just quite amazing. Node.js just gets this information, all these files for you, whereas, you can imagine doing it manually. So we're nearly there. And what you can do, you can also, I'm going to put the commands I've just typed in on my blog, I'll put the link in the description, which you can visit. And there you will see the commands, and I'll put all the kind of code that I normally do. I'll put it on there so you can copy paste and run if you wish. So now you can see some more files have appeared here. And you can see it's installed the git ignore file as well. And there you go, it's all done. It's installed. And then it tells you how you can start your application. So npm start, npm run build, npm test, all these kind of different commands. But what I will do first is I will type in what it tells me, which is cd my app. So that's going to change the directory to the my app. And then I am going to click into and type in npm start. And after that, after I type that in, React is starting and the window is just opening up. Let's bring it here. And there you go. That's the React app running. So I'll end the tutorial here and I'll see you in the next session.